Presenting a pre-owned 2011 Ford Edge Limited. This four-door SUV has a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 210,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city, and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, battery saver, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, power windows, rear privacy glass, and window defogger. Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto.